Well, so we have a train here at Post. Yesterday we were at Mental Road, but this time we are here at Post. And this is where the one car went airborne. Here once. He went flying like 100 miles an hour through here, across the tracks, and scraped the road a little bit. Why did you answer me, Zero? Danny, why did you text me, Zero?
I did?
Yes. You just texted me. Oh. Hurry, go over there before the dares go off. He's like right there, you know.
He's just right there.
If you meant Zero, you meant to send it to a different person.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I got the text Zero.
I don't know why I did that.
See here, Zero.
Well, I will never text you Zero again. Okay?
Here, I'll just send you a thumbs up at it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hear the horn.
Oh. He better not have any truck frames
Oh, yes.
like I promised.
Oh, yes.
If he does, we'll go home.
Okay. This guy's gonna run it. Oh no, I don't want to see that.
Oh, what the heck is that?
Wow! That's the missile.
Really?
Military stuff.
What?
The Army.
Really?
Yes. Wow, look at that. Oh, he's all a bunch of steel. Got a couple of cars on there.
What are these? Blue?
Those blue things,
Yeah.
you know,
Those are not truck frames, yay.
no, they're not truck frames.
Yay, I hope not.
Don't worry, they're not. I'm telling Grandma you don't like truck frames.
Yay, he had no truck frames, yay. And that's it.